Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the workbook exercise, The Scholar's Mother Tongue. Do you remember this chapter? Yes, it was about a Pandit who had come in the Akbar's court and he had challenged the King Akbar to identify what is his mother tongue. And why he said? Because he knew many languages. So due to his knowledge of many languages, it was very difficult to find out what was Pandit's mother tongue. Then lastly, Birbal took the challenge. And Birbal was succeeded in solving the Pandit's question. He came to know what was Pandit's mother tongue. It was his mother tongue was what of Pandit? Telugu. Yes, it was Telugu. And how did Birbal find it out? When Pandit was asleep very much, he went into his room and he whispered something in his ears and he tickled with the help of feather into his ears. And that tickling woke up Pandit and he started saying something in his mother tongue. Right? So, through this way, Birbal was able to solve the problem of Akbar, the king, what was the mother tongue of the Pandit. Now we will read the extract that is given below and then answer the questions. Extract means what it is? One type of comprehension. In comprehension, how the passage is given, then we have to follow the questions, right? So it is like that. 1. The Pandit could speak many languages fluently. What? The Pandit could speak many languages fluently. He was so fluent that no one could find out what his mother tongue was. He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. When everyone failed, the challenge was taken up by Birbal. When everyone failed, the challenge was taken by Birbal. Now we will read the question. What were the courtiers unable to guess? What were the courtiers unable to guess? Courtiers means what? It is a court of a king, right? In that many people are there, present. So, there many people which are present over there are called courtiers. So the courtiers were unable to guess the Pandit's mother tongue. The courtiers were unable to guess the Pandit's mother tongue. Question 2. What did the Pandit challenge the courtiers with? Now what he challenged? First question was what were the courtiers unable to guess? Courtiers जो है वो क्या नहीं समझ सके? तो पंडित की मदर टंग. अभी पंडित ने क्या चैलेंज किया कॉर्टियर्स से? पंडित चैलेंज द कॉर्टियर्स एट द कोर्ट टू नेम हिज मदर टंग. पंडित ने ये चैलेंज किया कि उसकी जो मदर टंग है वो कौन सी है वो पहचानो. द एंटोनिम्स ऑफ फेल्ड इज, एंटोनिम्स ऑफ फेल्ड इज व्हाट? डिमोटेड, रॉन्ग, रीच, सक्सीडेड. सो इट इज सक्सीडेड. व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर? फेल्ड का सक्सीडेड. Find the word in the passage which means the same as smooth. Same as smooth. Smooth का same to same word हमें ढूंढना है. So first one is challenge, take up, fluent, caught. So what is the answer over here? Smooth का it is fluent. Now second part we'll read. That night Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room. When he was fast asleep, he whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. The Pandit, half awake, cried out suddenly and shouted out words in his mother tongue. What happened? When you are very, very fast asleep and something tickles, if somebody comes and tickles in your ears, so you get up with a shock and you say mummy or something, you speak out like the word which comes out from your mouth, the first word, Mummy to comes out, but after that you are scared or you are shouting, Mummy please help, or Mummy please where are you, like that. So the mother tongue of that person comes out very fast, like that. So now question, what did Birbal do at night? So Birbal quietly went to the Pandit's room when he was asleep. What Birbal did first thing? He checked it out what Pandit is doing. So he saw that Pandit is fast asleep. Second question, how did Birbal disturb the Pandit? Birbal ने पंडित को किस तरह से डिस्टर्ब किया? He whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. उसने क्या किया? उसने कान में कुछ कहा और फिर फेदर लेके उसने उसके कान में गुदगुदी की. How did the पंडित react? पंडित का रिएक्शन कैसा था? पंडित half awake cried out suddenly and shouted out words in his mother tongue. क्या हुआ? जब उसके कान में गुदगुदी हुई तो पंडित was half awake, मतलब एकदम से उठ गया वो और उसने चिल्लाया और उसने तुरंत ही अपनी मदर टंग में कुछ कहा. पंडित half awake cried out suddenly and shouted out words in his mother tongue. Now we'll go to the next exercise over here. Find the word in the passage. Find the word in the passage which means the same as murmured. Find the word in the passage which means the same as murmured. Murmured मतलब हम बबड़ते हैं ना, कुछ हम बोलते हैं मन ही मन में, वो बोलना आहिस्ते से. So whispered, quietly, asleep, tickled. So what is the correct answer? Whispered. Find the synonym of screamed in the passage. हमें synonym scream का हमें ढूंढना है. Whispered, tickled, cried, awake. So what is the correct answer? Cried. Now read the following sentence carefully. Some of the sentences are incorrect. Put a cross and correct them and write them in the space provided. Put a tick in front of the correct sentence. What we have to do? Now those sentences which are wrong, we have to do the correction, and those which are correct, there is no need of correction, they are correct only. First one, the learned Pandit told the king and his courtiers that he had mystery over many different languages. What did the Pandit told? The learned Pandit told the king and his courtiers that he had mastery over many languages. Mastery means what? उसको बहुत सारी languages उसको आती है. So it was true or wrong? Yes, it was correct. So we'll put a tick. Second, the Pandit was so fluent that no one could find out what his mother tongue is. पंडित इतने अच्छे से सब भाषाएं जो लैंग्वेजेस वो इतने अच्छे से बता रहा था, बोल रहा था कि कोई भी नहीं पहचान सका कि उसकी असल मदर टंग क्या है. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. विल पुट अ टिक. नाउ थर्ड वन, Birbal whisked into the Pandit's nose and tickled it with feather. Now can you tell me with a leaf? So this is right. Whisked means what? उसने nose में उसने tickling किया. So it is true? No. So we'll put a cross over here. Then over here it is written leaf. So we have to write feather over here. Cross करके हमें क्या करना है? Cross करना है. और फिर हमें feather लिखना है. What we have to write? We have to write feather over here. क्योंकि उसने feather से कान में feather यूज़ किया था उसके ear में गुदगुदाने के लिए. So Birbal whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with feather. Now next, Birbal informed the king how he had gone to the Pandit's room to find the truth. So it is true? Yes, Birbal had already shared with the king. He already told to the king that how he succeeded in finding out Pandit's mother tongue. Now short answer type questions. Who took up the challenge and why? Birbal took up the challenge because all other courtiers failed. बीरबल ने चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट की क्योंकि सब कॉर्टियर्स ने वो फेल हो चुके थे. दे वर नॉट एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज पंडित्स लैंग्वेज. इन हुज कॉर्ट वॉज बीरबल अ कॉर्टियर. बीरबल जो है वो किसके कॉर्ट में कॉर्टियर था. सो बीरबल वॉज ए कॉर्टियर इन अकबर्स कॉर्ट. इन अकबर्स कॉर्ट बीरबल वॉज कॉर्टियर्स. हाउ डिड द पंडित रिएक्ट व्हेन द ट्रूथ वॉज आउट. हाउ डिड द पंडित रिएक्ट व्हेन द ट्रूथ वॉज आउट. पंडित ने रिएक्शन किस तरह से किया जब उसको सच्चाई का पता चल गया पंडित की. पंडित वॉज सरप्राइज एंड एक्सेप्टेड द ट्रूथ. पंडित जो है वो एकदम सरप्राइज हो गया, एकदम शॉक हो गया और उसने कबूल किया कि उसकी मदर टंग तेलुगु है. हाउ डू पीपल रिएक्ट इन टाइम्स ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टी. जब मुसीबत आती है तो पीपल कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं. इन टाइम्स ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टी अ पर्सन स्पीक्स ओनली इन हिज मदर टंग. जब मुसीबत आती है, डिफ़िकल्टी होती है, तभी हम क्या हमारी जो मदर टंग है हम वो ज़्यादातर यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, नाउ विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन. डू यू थिंक बीरबल वॉज क्लेवर मैन. इफ़ येस वाई. अगर आप समझते हो कि बीरबल एकदम होशियार और एकदम चतुर है तो क्यों, वो हम अभी देखेंगे. येस, बीरबल वॉज वेरी क्लेवर मैन. वो तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है. येस, बीरबल ऑलरेडी चतुर, बहुत ही चतुर था. ही हैड ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर. उसके पास एक ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर था. इन डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन ही वुड कम विथ सॉल्यूशन टू हेल्प अकबर. और जब भी किंग अकबर डिफ़िकल्टी में, प्रॉब्लम में फंस जाते थे तो कौन उसको हेल्प करने के लिए आता था. बीरबल हमेशा तुरंत ही किंग अकबर को हेल्प करने के लिए आ जाता था. हु विजिटेड द कोर्ट ऑफ अकबर. वॉट वॉज हिज स्पेशल एबिलिटी एंड वॉट डिड द चैलेंज द courtiers टू. अ लर्नड पंडित हु विजिटेड द कोर्ट ऑफ अकबर. सबसे पहले अकबर के जो कोर्ट है, दरबार में कौन विजिट किया. लर्नड पंडित ने. वॉट वॉज द स्पेशल एबिलिटी. उसकी स्पेशल एबिलिटी क्या थी कि बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस उसको आती थी. एंड वॉट डिड ही चैलेंज द courtiers. उसने क्या चैलेंज किया कि मेरी मदर टंग पहचानो. ओके, सो विल रीड द आंसर. ए लर्नड पंडित विजिटेड द कोर्ट ऑफ अकबर. The Pandit could speak many languages fluently. He challenged the courtiers to find the name of his mother tongue. उसने क्या किया, चैलेंज किया उसने courtiers कोर्ट में कि मेरी जो मदर टंग है वो आप पहचानो. क्या करो, वो आप मेरी मदर टंग पहचानो. राइट. नाउ विल गो टू द अनदर एक्सरसाइज. लैंग्वेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. Circle the subject and underline the predicate in the following sentences. Subject मतलब क्या कि उसका जो sentence है उसका main part क्या है और फिर उसका sentence कैसा complete होता है. So first one is what? The first one, a learned pandit once visited the court of Akbar. So who visited the court of Akbar? A learned pandit. So circle on learned, and once visited the court of Akbar is, we have to underline. Third, the Pandit could speak many languages. Who could speak many languages? The Pandit. So the Pandit could speak, circle many languages is underline. Third, Birbal was quietly to the Pandit's room when he was asleep. So Birbal went quietly, circle, to the Pandit's room when he was fast asleep, underline. Now we will read the following sentences and fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. Preposition you know na, to where we join two sentences to make a complete one sentence. Let's see. The Pandit had mastery over many different languages. So over here what we have written, preposition over, over. Then the second, he challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. So at is a preposition to join. When everyone failed, Birbal took up the challenge. Up we have to write in the blank. So sentence becomes when everyone failed, Birbal took up the challenge. Birbal quietly went to the Pandit's room at night. Who went to the Pandit's room? Birbal quietly went to the Pandit's room at night. So to and at we have to write in the blanks. Last one. He whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled with a feather. So WITH with a feather is a what? Preposition. Now we'll read all together. The Pandit had mastery over many different languages. He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. When everyone failed, Birbal took up the challenge. Birbal quietly went to the Pandit's room at night. He whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with feather. Now we'll read another paragraph. Read the following extract taken from the chapter carefully. There are many mistakes in punctuations. Correct the mistakes and rewrite the passage. Now punctuation mark we have to do. Children, I hope you must have been learned in grammar and you must be knowing where to use capital letters, commas, close commas and full stop and everything, right? So we'll start with the first one. King Akbar then asked Birbal. So over here King Akbar, K we have to write capital, Akbar A we have to write capital and Birbal B we have to write capital. And comma we have to do and we have to open and we have to do we have to do another comma. And how did you find the truth? So H also will be capital. How did you find the truth? Full stop. Now after full stop B Birbal is small. So again we will write B capital of Birbal. Answered in times of difficulty a person speaks only in his mother tongue. That is full stop. Now again after full stop H is small, so we'll write over here H capital. He also told the king how he had gone to the Pandit's room at night to find out the truth. So this exercise of punctuation mark with capital letters once again we will do. King Akbar then asked Birbal, how did you find the truth? Birbal answered, see over here open inverted commas are there. In times of difficulty again comma, a person speaks only his mother tongue full stop. So you can see over here H he is written capital after full stop. Over here Birbal B capital, Akbar A is capital, K King is capital. Again over Birbal B capital we have to write because it is after full stop, right? And then when somebody is saying a dialogue we have to use open inverted commas. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. Complete this work in your English workbook with neat and good handwriting.